talking kids again today, and I just had a really good idea, so I had to run upstairs in my bedroom and film for you my amazing idea what I could do with my very hard, crusty rolls. I was looking in my fridge and there were some hard, crusty rolls, and I thought, what can I do with them so that they don't go to waste in the bin? And I thought of an idea. So for my recipe today, you will need some crusty rolls, you will need some cheese, brie cheese if you like it, or you can use a cheddar or a type of cheese that you like, one that will melt nicely. And you also need, if you have some left from our festive time, some cranberry sauce, or you can use a little bit of honey, or you can use a tiny bit of jam, something a little bit sweet, or chutney, so that we have the sweet taste from the jam or the chutney or the pickle, and the savoury salty taste from the cheese. I want you to have a look in your kitchen or have a think at your snack time or lunchtime. What things do you taste that are sweet, and what things do you taste that are savoury or salty? You could maybe have a look in the cupboards and sort the things, sweet things and savoury things. Okay, so you've got your ingredients, and you also need a sharp knife and some foil. Let's start. First, you need to cut the top off your crusty rolls. Now you might need a little bit of help with your sharp knife, but remember, the best way for you to learn to be safe is to learn the right way to use your tools. So cut off the top. Next, you're going to scoop out, just pull it out with your fingers, some of the white fluffy bread inside, and just put it to the side. You can eat that later. Then spread with a knife or the back of a spoon a little bit of the chutney or the pickle or the jam or the honey or the cranberry sauce if you've got it around the edge of the hole. Next, you're going to put in the cheese too. Put in some bits of cheese. And then wrap it all in foil, do every one, and pop it in the oven. You'll need to cook it for a little while, maybe about 10-15 minutes, so the inside is really warm. And at the end, you take it out, unwrap it, and slice into your roll. And what surprise is inside? I wonder if you can trick the people at home. Say, here you go, here's my bread roll. But what is inside your roll? I think they will be delicious. And I want you to see if you can taste the sweet taste and the savoury salty taste. And see if you can have a sort out at home. Have fun, let me know what your surprise cheesy rolls will be like. Bye everyone!